airbrushed. Added at the bottom, it wasn't really properly printed. Like there was some crazy lines in there, but these are supposed to be trees, so it's brown. See that in there? So we added some of our grass. And you can see we did, trying to get better lighting in here, but it's a nice big red dragon. I think the airbrush really pulled out those colors. A little bit brighter on one side, darker on the other kind of thing, but that's okay. That's what it looks like. Kind of make them look worn out. So what we did was we added a little bit of a white wash, which I took white paint and really watered it down. You can see how that kind of highlights some of the areas. And yeah, tail's done, black in there. Horns black, a little bit of a white nose, kind of sticking it out different. Can't get into the eyes very well. I mean, probably a toothpick or something like that would probably be the best thing to do. But yeah, there we go. Some tabletop gaming or just display. Maybe make a base for it later on. See what happens. I think it turned out really well. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, choose your own path. On to the next one.